crafty friends, welcome to Spooky Season Hop Week 2. So this week we were supposed to make a mini album, Folio or October Daily, featuring our frightful friends. You could use a witch, ghost, goblins, ghouls, or more. So anyway, I wanted to let you know that the folio that I used was Paper Phenomenons. As you all know, I design scrapbook paper for them, and so I decided to use the Collection of the Month Club February Folio, Simple Folio Style 4. Now, I did use the new edited version of this one, which is the 1/2-inch gusset. Okay, so there's two different tutorials, but she has it all on one thing for you, so you can use either of the measurements that you prefer. But anyway, she does have the written and the video tutorial. I always get the written and video. It's just easier for me to do it because sometimes I get a little confused here and there. But anyway, thank you so much, Leslie, with Mermaid Cove Studio, for hosting this hop. I've had so much fun, and it's got me back in the craft room crafting again, not just designing paper. So I've been pretty excited to do that. So the paper collections that I used are Spooky Echo Park paper and also Spooktacular Halloween. Now, I did not use any of the coordinating solids. I just figured it would be easier to show you this, but Spooktacular Halloween is just so adorable. I think they have another one too that's kind of like pink themed, so you might want to check that out on their website. I always purchase from the website, but if you have a local store that you can get this from and it's still available, I would definitely pick it up because it is so stinking cute, what you were about to see. So let me show you the folio. Okay, so let me get this measurement for this album real quick for you. It is 9 1/4, and let's see, the cover from here to here is about 8 inches. Okay, so I hope that kind of helps with you, but it does fit a lot of 4x6, 5x7. I mean, you can fit a lot of photos in here, but so the first I decided to do was a flat cover page. That way it would be able to slide into a cabinet very easily and not mess anything up. So that was really important to me. So I just used a lot of the stickers from the Spooky collection, not Spooktacular, but Spooky, because to be honest with you, I lost the sticker page for Spooktacular, and then I finally found it at the end of the project, right? Isn't that how it always goes? But I thought I would do somewhat of kind of what I would do for a card layout, right? Or a 12x12 layout. And again, here's one of the stickers from the collection as well. And I just kind of like, you know, added them on here in like a little collage, and I thought it came out super cute. Here's the binding, and then of course this is the back. And I think both of these are from Spooktacular. And maybe this is from Spooktacular. I'm not even sure, guys. I just did it. But anyway, so we open that on up here, and we have a really large pocket right here. Okay, so you can definitely fit a couple of mats. I also have some of the 4x6 card, well, one right now. I will be putting more in as I go along. I was running behind on this project. This was supposed to be due, I believe it was Saturday, or I think it was Saturday, and so I'm a couple days late, maybe 3 days late. Anyway, okay, so I apologize. I had family come in town, and I hadn't seen my sister and her son in a while, and also my daughter and her boyfriend came in, so we had a blast this past weekend. But anyway, so I used some of the 4x6 cards, and probably what I'm going to do is put some photos on the back of these because I thought that would be fun. That's if I decide to keep this album. I might give it to my daughter, so because, you know, they like to go to Halloween parties and friends' houses and stuff like that, so she might want to have something to be able to put her memories of, you know, her and her boyfriend and her friends. Anyway, so you have like a large photo mat area right here. This is also some of these little small pockets that can fit the 3x4 cards and the 3x3s. Right, and then you can also throw in some photo mats in there too, so that's always fun. And then I made this little boo tag. This right here, this flower, actually comes from a die set that Denise Abate Smith from Treasures of a Crafty Mind You've probably already seen her video because I'm behind, guys. But anyway, I'll have everybody's links down below just in case you missed it. But this was a step card that she suggested, and I went ahead and got it, and I thought, okay, it's got all these cool little banners, and also it has these really cute little flowers in here. So I used one of those with my not my Cricut, but my, you know, die cutting machine, and just kind of layered that up. And then again, I added some of the paper and a sticker, and then on the, I'm going to take this off here real quick. So I again put a little spot. So this is going to be like a 5x7. And then I also made like little tuck spaces, so nothing is permanent here, so that you can put the photo underneath. And then you have that right there. So you got lots of areas that you can put larger photos, or you could put smaller ones here, like, you know, however you want to do. And then there's another large pocket right here that goes all the way down to the bottom. Okay. And then we have another large pocket right to the side. So guys, believe you me, there is lots of room here. Okay. And then we're going to go, oh, by the way, there's also a large mat pocket here as well, which I have not made the mats yet because, like I said, I was running out of time and I wanted to get this out and so y'all could see it. Then I used one of the cards for this little photo area right here. I just added a little sticker here. And then again, here's some of the 3x3s. These were given to me in the most recent swap we just had, so thank you very much. These are very useful. I put them on some cards too. I used one of the stickers right here and backed it up with some cardstock, and it says "Fright This Way," and then it opens up and you can hold, you know, 2 small photos, and then right here as well. So I'll probably have a photo here and then 2 here, and you know, so that'd be like 5 photos, right? Because I already have this kind of covered up, unless I use a really tiny one. But anyway, you know, I don't want to cover up all the cute paper, right? Then I went ahead and did the same thing where I popped this up where you can just tuck the photo underneath. So again, nothing's permanent. I used foam tape, but I did keep the backing on a portion of this, right? And then once the photo's in there, I can, you know, peel that backing off and then go ahead and it'll be secure. Then again, we have another large mat pocket. Okay. And then we also have this cute little mummy guy. I thought he was so precious. Look at him. Oh my goodness. And then again, I did the same thing, pop this up. So this is another large photo mat right here that you can put here. Again, I just popped up some more of the stickers, and I added in some more of these little 3x3 and 3x4 cards. And then here we go. You know what? I thought I had a little thing on here, but I did not. And I did use magnets under here, right, to make it easier. And then again, you could either use this as a large pocket up here, but you know, I think it's better to use it for the photo. But anyway, and then again, we have another large mat area right here. And then this was given to me in another Halloween swap, and I thought, I'm going to turn this into a little paper clip. So I thought that was really cute. And then you have another large pocket right here. And then again, it opens up. Now, this was my boo-boo. I put this on backwards, and I should have put it on a little bit differently, maybe. Like the other, no, that wouldn't have worked. I don't know. I guess I did it right. Never mind. Don't listen to me, guys. I don't know what I'm talking about. Then again, we have another large pocket here. And then again, we can fit some like 5x7s and things like that. So isn't it cute? Let me just put this back on here before I forget. It also keeps it from flinging apart. Then again, this was from another swap that we did, and I thought I would add that on there and some stickers. And again, we have our photo mat pockets, and then we have another large pocket right here. Sorry, that was kind of bothering me. Okay, we have another large pocket here, and then that is the end of the album. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and be sure to follow all the others and tell them I said hi as well. Anyway, if you haven't already subscribed to them, let them know I sent you over there. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to have all the links down below. And don't forget to comment, okay? If you don't comment, then you can't win the prize. And it's probably going to be a Amazon gift card, okay? So, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous week. And I'll be seeing you all again this weekend with week 3. So, guys, see y'all soon. Bye.